Welcome to the Harlem Horizon at 304 West 115th Street. Come on in and let's take a look at apartment 6B.
Wow, only 2 apartments per floor.
I love that there's actually a window on each landing so you don't have any dark hallways.
Andrew, I think I can picture this living room.
Amelia, I know you can picture the living room, but take a look at this kitchen. It is huge.
I hardly need an imagination for this, but I can totally see a dinner party happening here.
I really do love a great kitchen, but what really gets every New Yorker's heart racing? Vented washer dryer.
I love this split bedroom layout.
It really does allow for privacy.
And 2 full bathrooms. You gotta love that.
Amelia, you know the split bedrooms are great and the 2 full bathrooms are wonderful, but that huge cook's kitchen.
Don't forget that vented washer dryer.
But did you know this apartment transfers with a private storage unit and at no additional charge? Completing
this apartment, 6B has hardwood floors, central heat and air conditioning, along with 3 light-filled exposures.
Just outside your door, you are surrounded by great restaurants, cafes, and bars. 2 blocks from Morningside Park, 5 blocks from Central Park, and close by you will find St. John the Divine Cathedral, Columbia University, Barnard College, and Whole Foods is on 125th Street, along with Trader Joe's, which will be opening this year.
If you would like to see 6B at Harlem Horizon
at 304 West 115th Street,
give us a call
or send us an email.
I'm Amelia.
I'm Andrew Phillips.
And we're at Brown Harris
Stevens.